seekers and friends, we welcome you once again to this Arul Jyothi Peedam. Thank you for listening to our videos. I hope you are enriching by the message we give. Today, we continue the third part of the prayer, the invocation of our Arul Jyothi Peedam. O Supreme Graceful Light, justice, love and peace be with all beings. Be well, be well, be well. Today we are willing to ponder on be with all beings. The other talks we have already explained the meaning of O Supreme Graceful Light and the meaning of justice, love and peace. Today we are going to ponder on be with all beings. All beings is a very important word. We are human beings. As human beings, whether we know it or not, we are in communion, in connection with all the living realities, with all the living beings. It is the communion of nature, it is the communion of cosmic realities, it is the communion of mankind. As a human person, I relate with all the natural realities. I relate with all the natural forces and energies. In my body, in my mind, in my spiritual faculties, I am in a communion with all the other realities. In the Indian theology, Dharma signifies the integration of all the living realities, all the cosmic realities. It is the cosmic unity, it is the cosmic integration, it is the cosmic vitality of all beings. The same way, whenever we pray for others, whenever we do any intercession for good of others, sometimes we pinpoint, I pray for him, I pray for that person, I pray for that intention, like that. In a deep spiritual way, whenever a man is engaged in prayer or meditation, he is relating himself with all the cosmic realities. In prayer, we relate with God. In meditation, we relate with the inner reality, the supreme reality. Whenever we relate with the supreme reality, we relate with all the cosmic realities simultaneously, because we cannot take away the divine from the nature. At the same time, the nature may not be fulfilled or function properly without the divine. It is the deeper vibration within us. The divine power is the deeper vibration within us. Whenever we are wishing or greeting others, we express ourselves. We express our physical strength, the mental strength and spiritual strength as a whole person. The proper prayer is sending our own positive vibration to others so that they may be well, they may have the necessities of life, they may be in justice, love and peace. It is the wish we express in our prayer that all beings may be safe and having all the values, especially of justice, love and peace. They are the integral values for to live a matured human life. In this sense, whenever we go to meditation or a prayer or a spiritual place, we cannot go alone. We go with all the realities. We are packed with the nature. We are packed with our human fraternal relationship. That is why in the end of the prayer, we wish all beings so that they may have the fullness of life. That being united in itself is a natural reality. I cannot divide myself from the nature with the cosmic realities. I am a human person in communion of the natural realities and also with all the other human beings. I cannot live alone. The animals can live, the birds can live, but as a human person, I cannot live alone, because by the very nature of a human system, we are bound by being related with all the natural living realities. That is why we have to raise up our mind through our prayer and meditation so that we may be a person available to all beings. At least at the end of the prayer, we send the positive vibrations to all. May all beings be happy. May all beings be in love. May all beings be in justice. This wish comes from within so that it may move all the cosmic realities, and it renews our interaction, our communion with all the beings, so that we may grow not only as a single person, as a person in communion with all beings. O Supreme Graceful Light, justice, love and peace be in all beings. Be well, be well, be well. Thank you.